Well, in this city update, I'm joined today by Alex Baker with the Economic and Community Development Department to talk about some upcoming workshops in the next month. So I understand you got a few workshops coming up. What can you tell me about?
We do. We have a RFP, or request for proposal, that is open right now for existing nonprofits and CHODO developers, community housing developers. If you would like to participate and fill out for that RFP to help us spend some money, then we have 3 workshops to help you prepare for the RFP. The first workshop will be Wednesday, January the 15th, and that is at Cumberland Hall on FTCC. The session is from 9 until 12 noon. To register, you will need to dial 678-8496. The second class is also for existing nonprofits. You must attend the first session on the 15th in order to attend the Wednesday, January the 22nd session. It will also be at FTCC as well as from 9 to 2. That class will actually focus on the RFP, whereas the first class will help you apply for state funding, city funding, and federal funding. But the second class will focus on funding, particularly with the city. And then finally, the third session that we will have will be for CHODOs, Community Housing Developing Organizations, and that workshop will be the final Wednesday in the month of January, the 29th. It will also be from 12 until noon at FTCC. For any of these sessions or seminars, you can give me a call for more information at 433-1599.
Sounds exciting. So it's not just if you wanted to be a business working with the city, it's for state and federal, that type of work as well.
That's right. The first session will help you learn how to put a packet together and seek funding at all 3 levels.
Okay, and once again, if you're interested in participating in these workshops, who can you call?
You can call Alex Baker at 433-1599.
Well, Alex, thank you for joining us on this City Update, and thank you for watching.